Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we're gonna see how to change your WhatsApp message in your mother chunk. Now let's see how to change it. First of all, you want one application to change this. So go to Play Store. Click this and enter Hi Translator. That's first one. Click this and click Install option. Then open it. Give allow. Click Get Start. Then click Accessibility. It will automatically load to this page. Click anywhere and click Hi Translator. Enable this accessibility. Click OK. Then go back. Then click Next. Click Done. Once again click Get Start. This page will load like this. Click this icon, this one, and remove it. And your language is there. Click it. And here you want to click any languages like Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Tamil, Gujarati, Malayalam, Punjabi, English, etc. etc. Here I'm going to click the Tamil and your French language, also said as Tamil. Then come to WhatsApp. Like this. And I'm going to test this app. You can see now in this left corner, this icon is there. Click here and in this message it will show in the language. In some grammatical mistake depend upon your writing is always there. Now I'm going to paste in how are you. It will show in Tamil. Yes, this is how to change your WhatsApp message in your mother chunk. Now I'm going to test in different languages. Now come here and disable and enable it. Now I'm going to check in Malayalam. Your friend language is also Malayalam. Once again disable and enable it. And come to WhatsApp. Pull these and place here. Yes, it will change line in Malayalam. Yes. Now I'm going to change in Hindi. Now enable it. Now come to WhatsApp. Paste here. Yes, it will change in Hindi. Now I'm going to check in Canada. Disable and enable it. Come to WhatsApp. Yes, it's working. It is perfectly working. So this is how to change your English language of WhatsApp in your mother tongue. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.